Hi everyone, I am Abdul LD the second Embaud. Today, I am gonna tell you about reaction to the given video, which is the blizzard. A short background about it: a blizzard is a snowstorm with strong gales, heavy snow, heavy sleet, and rain. They are, they are most be called for snow to fall on the ground, both up in the clouds where snowflakes form, create HUD's drifts, making making it very hard to drive. Blizzards also can cause a variety of the problems. The short video I've watched entitled "The Blizzard" is incredible, where I admire especially the team leader on how he handled his team by trying to staying them awake and making them realize about their dignity as mountain men. After watching the video, I learned three important things. These are focusing on your goals, do not surrender, and trust God. The first one that I have learned is focusing on your goal. No matter how hard it is and how impossible it is, trust yourself that no matter what, you can achieve your goal, and that's being safe after the disaster. The second one is do not surrender. If you started it, do not step back. Do not surrender because surrendering makes you a loser. And lastly, trust God. Everything that is happening in this world is by His will. You have you have to believe that He is always there guiding for you.